This is a 2001 Toyota Camry on a timing belt job. I started already. Just connect your battery because you got to take your alternator out. It's sitting right here. And then thermostat's 10 millimeters. The drain plug is straight down here. Real easy to drain. And then go ahead and start taking your alternator out. 14 millimeter there. The timing mark, you need to have this straight up this way, that letter S. There's a letter S right here and a hole, but then there's also this little mark, and that little mark I made a long time ago. And so when you look at it, your pulley should be marked at 0. You see it? But then that means your key on the shaft will be this way because your overall engine is tilted this way. That threw me off a little bit today. I kept trying to put this up straight, and then I was trying one more time, once or twice, and I was like, wait a minute, this engine's tilted. It's got to have everything this way to tilt. So you'll find a little mark down there, and then you'll just have to put these cover on and your pulley, and then snug on it, and then turn this by hand and rotate it, and you'll have to have this line up and that line up at 0 again, and then you're welcome to do it again. Rotate it with your 21 millimeter, or you can use that. If you have a little bit extra money, you can buy one of those. It really got it off for me today. And then you can rotate it again, and your mark should line up again. If it did, you're good to go. These are torqued at 31 foot-pound, and so is the other, the idle pulley down here is at 31. This is a new water pump with a housing. They're just little 10 millimeters, so you don't, put foot-pounds on them. You do inch-pounds. They're very little. Other than that, that's everything. I will do a part 2 with the instructions, and another video that's common for this job is 1A Auto. Anyway, they are good explaining this, but I'm doing a quick version. I even washed my covers. I want them clean. Change out your belts. I did the thermostat today. I want fresh antifreeze because it's 5 years old already. So everything was being done today. The weather is better today, and I just wanted to show this to you how easy this is. But it's just time consuming. I started at 10:30 this morning, and it's now 4 o'clock. So it's a 6 to 8 hour job if you're doing extra stuff, putting a thermostat in, a new one, or maybe you want to put couple cleaning these and some other little odd ends that make things cleaner and nicer. All right, thanks, and thumbs up, and I hope this will help you out with your future jobs.